Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture guys, we will here map your sections, basically your dummy sections. So let's here do that guys. So this one guys, this section here you have to just use the map function and use it here. So this is a box. So let me close it. Then here, it's below here. Okay, inside it here. Here you have to create the another box component. Alright. So inside the box now. Okay guys, the first thing here inside this box you have to add the distance styles sx, then inside it here now width here set the width to full available width, that is the width. Here width, that is 100%. Got it. Then after that here max width. Okay, max width it is a 100 px. Then here margin auto. Here the margin. Okay guys, margin you have to take the auto 0, then auto, and then after that here, and then your padding it is a 16 px padding. Okay guys, so here you have to write padding 16 px. Then after that here background color dark background color. Okay, background color. Okay, here it is hash 212121. Then also here you have to set the border color. Border 1 px light gray borders. It is a border. Okay, border. It is 1 px solid. Then hash e0. Okay, then e0. Got it. So this is a color here now. Formative document. Then inside box here. Got it. So this is your box component. So after that here use the curly braces, and inside it here, okay, inside it here you have your this section guys. I am talking about this one guys. So you have to just map this inside it here. Okay, so inside it paste it. Got it. And then dot use the map functions. Then mhm, inside it here you have to make it arrow functions. Okay, so here inside it here you are able to access the section as well as here the section index. Okay, here you can write anything like just write I or just write index or section index. Okay, then inside it here you have to create the box. So let's create here box component. Alright, so inside the box component here guys, again inside box component here you have to add the additional styles. The first thing here you have to write the section unique ID as the key. That is key equal. Inside it here you have the section. Okay, this is section. If it is available, then it says its ID. Got it. Here guys, I think this ID. Okay, let me here you have to make the underscore ID. Little bit we will when fetching the real data. Then that time we will not change here. So here we have to directly change here underscore ID underscore ID, then underscore ID. Got it. Now fine. Then after that inside it, so here inside it here you have to add the additional styles. So that is a background color guys. Here background color. Here for now just here we have to write the hash. Here what happened? Okay, I know that what is the issue. Make sure that inside additional styles. Then here write the background color, and then for now just we will use this color. That is Has to one to one to one. Later on, we will here write the logic here. Basically, on the condition like deleting section, we will here display the red color, otherwise this color. So just for now here, we have to display this color. Has to one to one to one. Got it? So then the next it is guys here hit the border around the sections. So here write the border that is 1 px solid 1 px solid. Then okay guys, here you have the 1 px solid, then hash e0 got it. Then padding 16 px. Here it is a 16 px. This is only css code guys, so you just copy and paste. So then border radius here around the corner slightly. Border here the border radius that is 4 px. This is a border radius 4 px. Then inside a box here guys, this is a box. So this is a box, got it. This is a box component. Then inside it here you have to create the another box component. So let me create it here guys. So inside it here we will basically display your edit and delete icon as well as your section titles in this box component. So that's why here it is a box. Box component. Then inside it here you have to add the additional styles. So this is sx equal inside it here that is a display flex display flex. Got it. And then after that justified content space between justified content, it is a space between. Got it. Display flex justified content center. So here formatting document, then inside in this box component here you have to render your typography. So let here inside it typography component, then inside it here. So basically inside typography here you have to add the additional style. For now variant. Okay, variant it is subtitle 1, subtitle 1. And the next it is here font weight bold, font weight. Okay, inside string. Okay, here you have to write in the bold. Then after that font weight bold here additional style s6. Then inside it here that is a margin bottom 16 px. Margin bottom guys. Here margin bottoms, then inside it that is 16 px. Got it. So then this is typography. Then inside typography here you have the another icon that is a description icon. So let's here go to the top, and this is your component description icon. Copy this one. Then here you have to inside it, paste it here. Okay, then close it here. So this is your description icon. So this is your description icon. Then inside it here you have to add the additional styles. Okay, basically inside it here you have to, that is a margin right at px. So margin right. Okay, here you have the margin right. Inside it that is 8 px. Okay, then color here you have to write the color. Okay guys, so color it is a hash capital my f. Got it. So this is your color. So let me check it here guys. Now you see it, guys. So, okay, guys, now it is looking very good. You see, this is your description icon. Then here we will display the your section titles. So let's do that, guys. So first thing here you have to format. So after that, this is your descriptions. Then here you have to write that is section. Okay. Then in okay, guys, here this one. Let's remove this one. Yes, it's capital. Then section. Okay. Then inside it here section index plus one. Section here we have to just counting here. Section index plus one. So here you have to write the plus then one. Then you will see here the value like 1, 2, 3. You see here section 1 and 2. Okay, automatically, guys. You see here section 1, section 2. Alright. Now after that here you have to display the section title. So here inside it there is a section section dot. Okay, guys. Okay, not a section index. Section section dot title. Alright. Now you will see here. Let me press it. Then you will see. Now you see introduction. Then basic, guys. Here I think. Okay. Here the requirement of little bit spaces. Then here. Now you will see at this time it is looking very good. You see section one, section two introduction, then basic. Got it? So okay. So here you have to format your document. Got it? So this is your typography, guys. Okay. Then here after that we will create the another box component. Okay, guys. So let me here you have to create the after your typography. That is another box. Inside it here we have the like buttons. Okay, edit section buttons. This is the edit icon. Then here you have the delete icon. Okay. So let here we have to create this component. That is a box. Alright. So this is a box component. I think then inside it here, guys, we will create icon button component. Then inside it here you have the edit icon. So let here implement icon button. Then inside it here inside that is edit icon, guys. Okay. Now in this is your icon button. Okay. So this is your icon button. I think inside it here we will add the style simple like its color it is white. Then sx equal. Then inside it here you have to set its color. That is hash fff hash then ff. Okay. So here you have to just write its color. Then again copy this, paste it. Now in place of edit icon here you have to write the delete icon. So that is a delete icon. Alright. So let me here you have to format your document. Then check it here. Now it is looking very good. You see here, just you see. Okay, at this time it is not working. Later on we will make it a dynamics. Okay, whenever you just click here, then you have to delete these sections also. So this is introduction, then basic. Now you see it is looking very good, guys. So in the next lecture, basically, we will implement your lecture section. Inside it here, we will display the lecture. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.